Hello friends! So, you've been playing with breadboards, Arduinos and multimeters. What should you be looking at next for your electronics lab? The first thing I'd get myself is a great soldering iron. I love Vela because they make really great high quality soldering irons and they have functionalities like standby modes, which I find super useful. I'm especially a huge fan of the WT series because you can stack them on top of each other and save precious space in your electronics lab. I'd also recommend having lots of different types of soldering tips for different applications. And don't forget a tip tinner to keep the tip of your soldering iron from oxidizing, and make sure you only use deionized water when cleaning your soldering iron. And of course, you need solder rolls. I prefer unleaded, both for my health and the environment. It's also important to have solder wick. Solder wick is a braid of copper that can help you desolder and correct soldering mistakes, which I do all the time. Flux. Oh my god, Flux is literally the queen of soldering. Flux is a paste that makes your solder flow so much easier. If you are creating a PCB with more than 10 components, you definitely need solder paste. Solder paste allows you to paste hundreds of components in one stroke. Loctite GC10 is my favorite because you can keep it at room temperature for up to a year. After pasting your PCB, you can put each component in its appropriate place, then bake the PCB in a reflow oven. All of this soldering and baking creates a lot of fumes that aren't healthy to inhale. So it's super important to have a great extractor fan. I love mine because it has a tube that I can move exactly to where I'm soldering. Don't forget some IPA for your lab. No, not this IPA. Yep, this IPA. IPA makes it really easy to clean your PCBs from sticky flux and solder residues. You can put a little bit on some brush or a wipe to clean your PCB. When it comes to testing your circuit, your multimeter is essential. I'd also recommend a logic analyzer to check your digital signals. If there's a problem with your signals, then that's where your oscilloscope can come really handy. You can find links to all of my equipment, everything I talked about today, and even some alternatives on DesignSpark. And I'll see you in the next episode of ShroukieTronix, the Shrookie show about electronics. Thank you, bye, ma salama.
There's nothing she can't do.